Johnson with Life Sport Fitness. I'm here with you today to show you some exercises that you can do if you suffer from chronic low back pain. Now, before we begin, I want to make it clear that it's best if you are suffering from chronic low back pain, please see a healthcare professional. Get a diagnosis. If you have a diagnosis, then you can pick and choose the exercises that will be best for you based on your specific injury or particular condition. If you're a boot camper and you've been directed to this video to help you strengthen your abs, your back, or your hips, these exercises are things that we'd like you to do on your own at home to support what we do in boot camp. You will see some of these exercises in your workouts in our camp, but we would like you to do these 4 to 5 times a week at home. I'm going to bring in one of our resident experts here. I've got with me today Erin LeBlanc. She's not only one of our regular boot camp members, she's a licensed physical therapist, a certified strength and conditioning coach, and also an orthopedic specialist. So we use Erin a lot when we have questions about exercises and different things that we can do to help our customers outside of camp if they have chronic injuries or conditions that need a little extra effort and attention. So now sit back and relax, and we're going to show you some of the best exercises we've got in our arsenal to help you with your chronic low back pain.
So this exercise we call the bird dog because as you lift one arm and the one leg, it's going to form like a pointing position. It's good for strengthening the back muscles, paraspinals, multifidus, and if you're really doing a good job in stabilizing those abs, it really strengthens the abs in the long run too. So you can lift up, you can hold it for a couple of seconds, then bring it down, and we can alternate. And then if this is too high a level exercise, you can always start just lifting one arm and then one arm, or one leg and then the other leg, until you're able to do the alternating arm and leg exercise. Now we're going to go into a bridge exercise. The bridge is a good exercise for abdominal and gluteal strength to help people with lower back pain. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to go up. You can just go up and hold it for a second and then slowly go back down, or you can go up, progress it, and hold it for a certain period of time, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, whatever you feel comfortable doing. While you're up there, you can progress it from there and do a little marching. The most important thing is keeping this part stable. Okay? And then you can also progress it to a single leg bridge after you've narrowed your basic support. Okay, so our next exercise we call either a prone hold or a plank. It's one of my favorite exercises. It strengthens the abdominals as well as the back muscles all in one, and it's good for endurance, okay? So we can start off at one level, lifting the entire body up. You want to keep like a surfboard straight across, right? You don't want to let your hips sink down because that's going to be bad for your back. And then you don't want to raise it up like a pike because then you're just using your hip flexors and that's not going to help you as well. So you want to be straight across. You can start off holding it maybe 5 seconds or 10 seconds depending on what your tolerance is, and then you can ramp that up as you feel comfortable. Now if this is not a good position for you, if you feel pain with that, you can drop down onto your knees and you can hold that for a shorter lever arm, and that might increase your tolerance for this exercise. Okay, this next back exercise is good for strengthening the abdominal muscles. It's called the dead bug or the dying bug. So you're just going to lie flat on a surface. You're going to tighten up your abdominal muscles. You're going to lift one arm up and then the opposite leg straightens out. So it's almost parallel to the floor. And then you're going to bring it back to the neutral position, which is where we started. Then you're going to go the other side. So it's alternating. It's functional, just like walking is. You swing an arm, you swing a leg at the same time. You want to make it a little more difficult? You can lift the legs up. You want it a 90-90 position so that the knees are bent 90 degrees and the hips are bent 90 degrees. Okay? I'm going to do the same theory though. Arm goes up, opposite leg goes down, and then switch. Slow and controlled is the way you want to do this. You'll get more out of it that way. You can hold it for a few seconds if you like.